Hey guys, welcome to our channel Intellect Coding. Here in this video we are going to make a very simple division program that how to divide two number in C programming language. Okay, so here we go. So let me now here write in comment program in C to divide two numbers. Okay, so here we can start with the header file hash include stdio.h with the main function, put here braces, and now here I'm gonna declare three variables. Okay, let me declare a int variable int x, y and z. Okay, let me now initialize the value of x and y. X equal 5. Let me just initialize a a1 number. Okay, x equal to 10 and y equals 2. Okay, and we'll use the expression here to divide the x by y. So here I am writing x divided by y and put here semicolon, and now we will print z. Okay, the value of z is percentage %d, which is used for the int entity, and here put z, and now here put a semicolon. Okay, so this is a very simple program to divide two numbers. Okay, now let me just run the program, and here as you can see the value of z is 5. Okay, that is 10 by 2, that is 5. Okay, what if the value of z is not a whole number? Okay, let me now change the values here. Okay, let me now change the value of x from 10 to 9. Okay, and now let me run the program. Okay, now it is showing here the value of z is 4, but this is not the exact answer. The answer must be 4.5. so here we have to declare our z variable as the floating point. Okay, float z and put here a semicolon. Okay, and for printing a floating point we must use here %f. Okay, now let me just run the program. Okay, here as you can see the answer is now 4.000000. Okay, but is this the exact answer? No, the answer must be 4.5. so what is the bug here? Okay, our program is running but still there's a bug. Okay, so let me just tell you what is the problem in this program. Here I am dividing 9 by 2, which are int entities. Okay, and now here I am dividing 9 by 2 because here I am dividing with the int entity. That's why it is not showing the exact answer. So if we use float here, okay, now let us see what will be the answer. Okay, this looks good. The answer is 4.50000. Okay, now the answer is exact. Okay, I think you got it. Okay, what if these both variables are also float? Okay, and let me remove this one. Okay, so this looks good, and let me now run the program. Okay, here as you can see the value of z is 4.5. Okay, I think you got that bug. The number by which we were dividing, that is 2, was int. That's why it was not showing the exact answer. But now our x variable is a floating point, and now it is showing the exact answer. So this is the way how to create a program in C to divide two numbers. Okay, hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then subscribe to our channel. Goodbye, have a nice day.